Guess what, motherfuckers? I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. I had a few things in my personal life that I will not disclose here because it's none of your business. But, I got on Legends SMP again about 9 days ago. Uh, and I had a bit of a fun time. I started off showing my wall of artists. I had K Tronada, Erica Badu, and a bunch of other artists I really enjoy, especially MF Doom, Kanye, Solange, just a bunch of people I listen to, and Tokens, the house that he built me. I tried to make it my own until something later that happened in this video that you will see happened. So let's just continue on. I did not a lot. I kind of just I died 3 times, and but I had my one thing with me, the one thing that I cherish most on this server, my land yacht. It's kind of a stupid joke, but it's just a boat on land. So yeah, I traveled around in my land yacht, and I did a bunch of just random shit, and I actually stumbled upon my loot on the one of the times that I died, and I was so confused because I was like, is this my loot? And I had to process it. I looked at my lottery ticket that I had in the time I died, and yeah, it was for sure my loot. But I ended up losing that later. Kind of sad, but Zane wanted to meet up with the whole server, so in Town City Stateville, we all met up. I got on my land yacht, and then I thought I got robbed because Zane took my yacht. But it turns out he was just naming my yacht. He was just giving my yacht a name and a home, and so fortunately I didn't get robbed. But we just here you can watch it. We did a bunch of random shit with land yachts, and then. found my best friend for life other than my land yacht, a donkey. And I went on a rescue mission because I realized they couldn't swim. And so I just got a bunch of blocks, fought off a bunch of mobs, and finally, I got him over to land. Well, it was a bit of a failed mission. I didn't really need to place the blocks, but it's whatever. I got my donkey, but after I got my donkey, disaster struck. This was actually more devastating than just losing my stuff thrice. Because here's the thing about my stuff. I am skilled enough to get a bunch of iron back and just, I can do that. But the one thing I'm not is a builder. And I hadn't even built my own house. And for no reason at all that I can tell, just for no apparent motive, reason, or whatever, I logged on and my house was burned. Brother Yoke recorded the entire clip. I think it's in one of his episodes, I'm not sure. But it was devastating to see because Token built my house, and I didn't build my house, and it was a pretty good house, and I didn't know how to rebuild it, because, I'm not the one who built it. I don't remember how Token built it. I didn't, watch him through his entire process, and it was just burned to a crisp, and I was so confused. I got on the server, and I was, yelling. I was like, why the fuck is my house burned? What is going on? And, Brother Yoke and Token tried to help me, and Token ended up rebuilding my house. Token recorded the entire thing, but we couldn't tell who did it and why they did it. And so I just logged off thinking, okay, it was a one-time thing, and Token said he would rebuild the house, which he did, and I have a lot of gratitude to him for rebuilding my house, because, very nice of him, very nice of him. He didn't have to do that, but he did. And so I just got off, hung out on the Discord. And then I saw this. He struck both Token and me this time. Not only did he strike me twice, he also struck Token too. No reason at all. And you know what? It was even more confusing because there was no possible motive or reasoning to do this. Because it was literally just out of the blue. There was no reason for the attacker to do this, whoever did it. And, we found a suspect. I'm not going to discuss the drama because I'm not going to fucking send hate to people. It's over, but it was just confusing because Token was one of the coolest guys on the server. And I thought I had made no enemies, and just having this happen out of the blue, especially twice, was not only devastating just because my house was gone, but also because, I think, it's hard to think that there's someone out there to get you, because you don't even know why they're out there to get you. So you don't know if they're gonna attack whoever, whatever, if it was just nonsensical. I don't know. But it was not fun. And that's kind of just how I ended up my second day off on the SMP. Losing everything but my land yacht, just like the title said. Thank you guys for watching. Next episode should be out at least by Wednesday, just depending on my schedule. I'll see you guys later.